Hey guys, I'm Briggs Anunobi, and today we have a special treat for you. We're in one of my favorite neighborhoods in Denver, which is Observatory Park. And we're here to check out this modern farmhouse that has everything you could dream of. This house is fully custom and is built by Anderson Construction. Now I love the classic farmhouse elements that are here, such as a twin peak roof design and vertical boards on the front elevation. I also love the black metal roof overhang that adds a modern touch. You don't want to miss this house, so get comfortable and let's head inside. So we're inside and there's so many details to go over. But before we do that, let's talk about the property facts. This house has 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and just a little under 6,000 square feet of interior living space. The listing agent is Darlene Emory, and the price of this recording is $2.5 million. So with that said, let's take a look at the main level of this house. This main family area is breathtaking. There's so much natural light that creates a warm and cozy atmosphere. On top of that, you have luxury designer upgrades at every turn. Take a look at this designer kitchen. I mean, what more could you ask for? You have a light and bright color scheme that's executed perfectly with these white cabinets, white tile backsplash, and white marble countertops. Now, I also love this wood-paneled commercial vent that's trimmed with this natural oak piece to add some detail and some color contrast. And let's not forget about the high-end Wolf and Sub-Zero appliance package they use in this house. Notice how they have a built-in Sub-Zero fridge. And the classic farmhouse-style house just wouldn't be complete without the farm sink. So that's it for the main level. Let's head upstairs and check out the second level of this amazing house, and then we'll finish up our tour in the basement, right this way. So the upstairs landing has this cozy nook area with a built-in bench and 3 large windows for natural light. And over here to your right is a master bedroom that you have to see. Follow me. Down the hall are 2 additional bedrooms with a beautiful Jack and Jill bathroom, and then there's also a lovely guest ensuite. Take a look. So this house has some really cool features to access the basement. The first is a completely private entrance off the front corner of the house that leads to the basement. And the second is right here in the butler's pantry. Check out this hidden staircase that leads to the basement wine cellar. Alright, so that's it for this tour. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I look forward to bringing you guys plenty more videos like this, and your support does go a long way. Special thanks to Anderson Construction and also the listing agent, Darlene Emory, for letting us tour her beautiful listing. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on my next property tour.